Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make spicy canned tuna. First, select your preferred canned tuna, whether it's packed in oil or water. Next, gather your key flavor enhancers: red chili flakes, black pepper, fresh garlic, and shallots. These simple ingredients are the foundation for a truly delicious and quick meal. Ensure you have a good quality olive oil on hand, as it will bring everything together beautifully. Now, let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add 1 minced garlic clove and 1 diced shallot, sautéing them until they become wonderfully fragrant, which usually takes about 2 minutes. Then, stir in 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes and a half teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Cook these spices for about 30 seconds, allowing their aromas to fully develop. It's time to bring in the star ingredient. Make sure to thoroughly drain your canned tuna before adding it to the pan with the fragrant aromatics and spices. Gently flake the tuna with a fork, then stir everything together until it's well combined and coated with all those delicious flavors. For a bright, zesty finish, squeeze in about 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Your incredibly flavorful spicy tuna is now ready to enjoy. You can serve it warm over a bed of fluffy rice or your favorite pasta for a hearty meal. It also makes a fantastic topping for crackers, toast, or even a fresh green salad. For an extra burst of freshness, consider garnishing with some chopped cilantro or parsley. This quick and satisfying dish is perfect for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.